Today is day 6 and we are going to Sama National Park and taking a picnic lunch. Morning, come quickly, elephants. Baby one too. Look, down there.
God, I was going to look at it. It's just the sun shining on it. Oh my goodness, this is our morning sunrise.
I know.
Oh, there's the pig. It's tiny, probably the same herd. Oh my goodness.
And now we are eating breakfast with wild elephants.
Let's go. Here you go, Impala.
Okay, here I...
Just hold on tightly. Oh, Weaver. The right hand side. Oh yeah, it's up on the top. So top and in front of the big palm. There's a Weaver up.
Right, we've been going 2.5 hours. It's only supposed to be 30 minutes to get into the new park, but we're still going. At the moment, we're checking between a Nubian woodpecker and a golden-tailed woodpecker.
Ni kilometri ngapi kutoka hapa?
Now, Ricky's just trying to ask Jackson how many. Say it again.
Ni kilometri. Wait a second. Start from the beginning.
Ni kilomita ngapi kutoka hapa?
Karibu kilomita 3
Mpaka
kwa gate, kwa bridge.
Mpaka bridge.
Once we get to the bridge.
Yes, that's how far it is to the bridge. Coming down to the bridge. I'm walking in a national park. Apparently it's safe because we're going to the toilets. Let's see what the toilets are like. Oops, here they... Oh, one of those lizards. Oh, the lizard went. You want to go in first?
No.
I'm filming. I'm going to film what it looks like. Ah!
As long as you don't.
Oh, look, that's doable.
Okay, which one do you want? The one with the door or one without? Good luck. Here.
Great, well, we successfully navigated the toilets. Yes.
Easier said than done.
Right, is that all?
All ladies done. Now David's can have his go.
Easy for you.
Northern flycatcher.
So, we've all been to the toilet.
Yes, we have.
Aren't we?
Yes. It was an experience.
We are refreshed.
Thankful for the experience.
Big equipment. It's pretty well exactly the same as my brother's tractor. New Holland. How good is that? That's a new tractor. What a JCB. I love big equipment.
Catherine, you're excited about everything.
I know.
Hide and dart out into the
There's lots of cover here. So there might be a leopard. That's what we can look for.
Oh, here's a snake on the right.
Stop.
Snake on the right.
And down here is a Nile crocodile.
Once a month or something. They don't eat that often.
Roja. Daraja iko sawa, inavukika. Hawana maneno. Roja. Negative. Sasa najaribu chokora hapa, nilikuwa nimeambiwa kulikuwa na vichwa ilikuwa imeonekana hapa. Safi sana. Umetoka kutengeneza?
The lines has been injured. The vet's told us that. We're going there now. It's around here somewhere. Thank you. Here you go, Chris.
Oh, they're coming through your window?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
What to them first?
This little plastic. It's all right. So everyone's gone very quiet now because they're eating.
Oh, I hope you didn't want that.
Oh.
Just finished and they've already found a new bird and they're all excited. What was the name again? It's a black-headed oriole.
You two are the same, mine's different. Yes. So let's say that you're right and mine
No,
is
let's
different.
turn around and show them.
We're all in different places.
Our
We
compasses.
don't know why.
We don't know where we're
One
going.
of life's puzzles.
Not a zebra crossing. You're wrong.
This is our toilet stop. Apparently no lodge will refuse you. Oh, I think Paul's going over this way. David's going this way. I'm going this way. Yes! There's cloakrooms. This looks like toilets. I don't think I need to show you in these ones. Oh my God, look at how nice these toilets are.
Ooh, a lizard.
The rain's finished, we've had our cup of tea and we're back on the road. I've got energy again.
That little Mazda would have struggled here.
We have to shut the roof because it's raining. Rain has stopped, so the one's going back up. Well, it's a lot wetter on the track since the rain. Camp. Okay, so at the moment we're parked in the middle of a river and birding.
Nut culture.
That's how we roll in this truck. So we just found a Corey's bustard, which is the heaviest flying bird on the planet. All right, we've been going 11 hours today, and we're nearly there. I can see the water tower. It's the end of day 6. We're at 261 birds, 18 mammals, 3 reptiles, including 1 viper snake. I'm knackered. I'm going to bed. Good night.